In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you exactly how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp, and I'll walk you through what you'll see in each view so there are no surprises. This is a simple workflow, and once you know where to look, it becomes second nature. First, find the task you want to complete. You can work from the list view, the board view, or the calendar view. Use whichever layout fits your workflow. In list view, tasks appear in rows with details like assignees and due dates. In board view, tasks are displayed as cards grouped by their current status. In calendar view, tasks show up on the day they're scheduled. Take a moment to locate the specific task you're ready to finish. If your workspace has a lot going on, remember that the search bar and filters can help you zero in quickly, but the key is simply to get to the task in one of these views. Next, change the status. Click on the task status field. It might say something like "To Do in Progress" or another stage your team uses. Then select Done or Complete from the status options. Many teams customize their statuses, so your final stage might have a slightly different name or color, but you're looking for the one that clearly indicates the task is finished. When you make this selection, ClickUp updates the task instantly, and you'll see that reflected in the interface. Now, confirm the completion. Once you choose Done or Complete, the task will show as completed. In Board View, you'll notice it may automatically move into the Done column. In List View, the status badge will change, and the task might dim or display a check mark depending on your settings. In Calendar View, the task remains on the date, but will appear with its completed status. If you don't see the task where you expect it, it may be hidden by filters that only show active work. Simply know that completed tasks can be filtered out depending on your workspace preferences. That's normal behavior. That's all there is to it. Find the task, change the status, and confirm that it's marked as complete. Keeping your tasks up to date like this helps your team stay aligned and gives you an accurate picture of progress across your projects. And that's how you mark a task as completed in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.